wees sonder die daan. Engelse woorde.
Where is the L for lemon? Intelligent. Where is the Y for yellow? Right. Where is the C for cat? Excellent. Where is the R for rabbit? Right. Where is the J for joker? That's right. Where is the W for watermelon? Intelligent. Where is the H for hat? Good. Where is the V for violin? Awesome. Where is the B for ball? Awesome. Where is the N for needle? Right. Where is the X for xylophone? Intelligent. Where is the P for pineapple? Intelligent. Where is the E for elephant? Right. Where is the Z for zebra? Great. Where is the I for ice cream? Intelligent. Where is the U for umbrella? Good. Where is the G for goat? Intelligent. Where is the D for doll? Right. Where is the O for orange? Right. Where is the T for teddy bear? Good. Where is the K for kite? Good. Where is the S for sheep? Awesome. Where is the Q for queen? Right. Where is the M for moon? Awesome. Where is the F for frog? Excellent. Where is the A for apple? Awesome. Congratulations. You have successfully completed the test.